Honorable Speaker, the President is not responsible for the authorization of the deployment of the South African Police Service Special Task Force or National Intervention Unit. Such deployments fall within the statutory and operational authority of the National Commissioner of Police of the South African Police Service. I have consequently not authorized any deployment of these teams either to Richards Bay Minerals or to any other place. Ke tlhalose sentle ka Sesotho gore Mopresidente a se ena o etsang di-deployment tsa mapodisa. Di-deployment tsena di etswa ke National Commissioner ya Maphodisa. Ke phetho.